Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Tnat Bording jong Sorkar jala kelas Sdang menta ban Khynra iki Nongtuh Bording hagi benta bo fair jong jala. Ya kanil yaitu the Commissioner of Secretary jong kani Tnat Usanjay Koyal laong ba Tnat klaburu iki Tnat Tohkit jong ka panwat bania hagi nu gi jaka ba dan ga jingtu Bording namar ba kani ga jingle ga kata ru iki wepat ki ba panon kam hok. Ladalap ik batu Bording laong ba en penstam kat kum ka Electricity Act. Ka Sorkar kala karpat ru iki pajba bikin pentip dan manu batu Bording.
Investigation wing, not only in the DF areas, which are just very small areas, in the entire corporation, we do this as a routine and daily kind of activity because this is a direct loss to the corporation. And through you, I would like to again appeal to the public that those who are the genuine consumers, they face the problem because of these kinds of illegal practices by a very few of them. I'll say that it's not very common. It is happening in certain areas. We are taking up the activities which are mandated to us under the law. The Electricity Act allows us to take action against such kind of individuals who are allowed into illegal theft of the electricity. This is not allowed under law. It brings loss to the corporation, and at the side by side when the corporation is at loss, it brings more financial burden on the genuine consumers. Because somewhere somebody is sort of like getting impacted. So, I mean, this is a practice. We have our investigation wing. We keep on checking these kinds of illegal activities, if you name it so. And then we raise the compensation bill also. People pay it also.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.